So once you found the Eclipse page, you go into the top right hand corner to log in, click on login, and then you put in your username, which is a 4-digit PIN, and your password, which is your date of birth. So this is our home page. Here you can see the top 10 resources. So you can see that Diary of a Wimpy Kid's popular. We've got the second in the Matt Colleen series, Devil Darling Spy, The Recruit, Robert McCamore. You can see what's popular with other people here. We've got the latest returns, so likewise this is what's been taken out recently. We've got Sky Dancer by Jill Lewis, Warhorse, Michael Morpurgo. Going down further, we've got the new resources. If you click on school, you can see what's trending in our school. If you think, I'd really like to take one of these books out, maybe the Michael Morpurgo. So if you just click on it, if you would like it, all you have to do is click on reserve. And if you click on reserve at school, and then I'll get a message and I can get that delivered to you. You can add it to your list if you'd like to take it out later. You can also take the quiz. You will need your accelerated reader login to do that. If you think it's a fantastic book, you can give it however many stars. So if you think it's fantastic, you can give it 5 stars and write a little bit about it. We've got the book of the week. So at the moment, that's The Poet X. We've also got news. So at the bottom here, we've got the Year 7 Redesigner Book Cover Competition. So if you click on that, it should come up with a little bit more information. So if you want to do a search for something like football, maybe, you put football up in the top right hand corner here and search. If you say wanted to take one of them out, you can just click on it here. You could reserve that one here. Okay, and finally, if you want to send me a message about anything, if you're not sure of anything, you can email me.